Oh, okay, what do you need me to look
Yeah,
at?
so let's, you wouldn't mind signing just kind of right here, your first name and then your signature here.
Okay.
Great, thank you. And then whenever you have a moment after you're done, if you're welcome to take some more photos, I just need to grab your driver's license so I can get scanned in.
Okay. Do you need me while you scan it?
I
take
don't.
pictures.
I have your current address right here, so we're okay.
Okay. Why don't you scan it while I take some photos?
Yep.
Okay, is it unlocked?
It is not. Here.
Oh.
It is not. I'll give you the keys here in a moment.
Okay.
Okay, go for it.
not really. Yeah, I saw there was a repair done on the upholstery here. On here?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, just now.
So, you know, I think a lot of the things that have been done as far as what you're seeing the vehicle in its current state.
Yeah.
Everything has been redone to kind of meet our company standards.
Uh-huh.
So if you have any questions about that, as far as that is concerned, I'm happy to help you out.
All right.
My favorite thing, I was telling one of my roommates about this car because he's a car guy. He said, "What kind of car is it?" I said, "It's a 328. It's an 09. I believe this still has the inline 6 engine." And it's also a manual, which is like super hard to find with a wagon.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
And this is crazy. I mean, the fact that it's now an 11-year-old car and it has 57,000 miles. It's just great to see that. So. I think you're gonna have a great drive, man.
Okay, great.
I'm gonna attach this plate to the back here. Okay.
Will does this car have like history papers, like CarMax, something like that?
So
you know, where did it come from? You know, was it driven in snow?
What I can do is I can pull that up.
Yeah.
And then I can get you that hard copy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll be great.
As far as where it came from, I don't know exactly offhand, but I can find out in that history report for you.
Right. I know CarMax shows that, you know, where it was purchased, serviced.
Right. So there's two different vehicle history report systems out there. Number one is Carfax. Number two is AutoCheck. This company uses AutoCheck. We think it's the most accurate. Obviously, Carfax may have something that's different, and AutoCheck may have something that's different from Carfax. So
sure, yeah.
There's not like a measurable better scale, I guess.
Right.
But we definitely provide that unconditionally. So,
okay, yeah.
I'll get you, while you're gone, I'm gonna get that ready for you.
Okay, great, yeah.
Let me just put this on, okay?
Oh, am I even recording? Oh yeah. Oh, while it's open, I'm gonna take a picture.
Yeah. And I like that it still has the cargo cover. That sometimes they don't come with that. So
oh, okay, yeah.
It's good to see.
Oh, you need that on.
So this will just stay there, and then let me get you the key.
Yeah. So I got 20 minutes, right? Okay.
Yeah.
11:04. Yeah.
Here you are. These have been sanitized as well.
Okay. Why do I need two? Okay.
They just.
okay.
I mean, you know, they just come with it. So,
okay.
Just let me know when you're back. If you're gone past 20 minutes, then I will give you a call.
All right. Okay.
Great. Any questions before you head out?
No, nothing. I'll just give it a test drive. Yeah. I'll gotta take. Oh yes, please. I just gotta take. I'll pick it.
I really don't know why they went away from the inline 6. I think
from the inline 6?
Yeah.
I think my brother prefers inline 6.
I think it's the better one.
It's the bulletproof one.
Yeah, it's easier to work on too. I'm not sure if you guys work on cars, but you know, I think from what I understand about it, it's one of the easier, despite the sophistication of German auto.
Yeah, but it's not. Okay, no, it's not turbocharged. Alright.
Fine, man. I don't know how he found it. Has he been looking for this type of car for a while?
Yeah, he's been looking around. Yeah.
Why this? Is it just like he likes the? Is it because of the engine? Is why he's looking at this age of vehicle?
Well, I know he has some criteria. First is it's rare. I mean, this combination of stick. He insists on stick.
Yeah.
And also the the station wagon. It's
just a great. You know, it's kind of underrated. I think. I mean, these things handle pretty solid. I mean. You know, and when it comes to storage space, I mean, I just think it's a great look, man. And you look at a lot of these companies. You look at the E63 AMG with Mercedes. That wagon style is one of the most attractive wagons on the market.
Yeah.
You know, and like the great thing about this car is real car people are gonna recognize the kind of the mystique that it has.
Right, right.
I know you're a car guy based on that.
Oh,
that's one of the finest cars I've ever driven, man. I've had the pleasure of driving that.
Yeah. Do you know if this has been well? It should show in the. But has this been worked on? Any accidents, like you know?
I think there is one accident. We discussed that with him yesterday.
Oh, okay.
That there is one, I believe. I'm gonna pull up the history report to confirm that.
Okay.
And I believe it was somewhere in the front.
All right.
And so he told me to send him some photographs yesterday, which I did.
Okay.
You know, but that one thing I could tell you about us is we're not going to sell cars with any frame damage. So
right.
we'll sell cars that have accidents announced on them.
Yeah.
But if the frame is not compromised, that's not where you see a giant value loss. If the frame damage is compromised, two things. One, it's no longer as safe as it would have been.
Correct.
When you repair the frame, it's still compromised if it were to get hit in the same place again.
Right.
So we don't want to put our customers in that position, and obviously it diminishes the value.
Yeah.
So, you know, for us, as like one of our main pillars is we don't sell cars with frame damage, we don't sell cars with water damage.
Okay.
You know, and then of course we have a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you can have confidence in your purchase in that regard. This is all stuff I have told Cesar.
Okay.
But you know, I just want to make you aware since you're basically my customer right now.
Yeah.
So whatever questions you have, just feel free to ask. If I don't know something, we're trained to go ask. We're not going to make anything up.
Okay, great. Okay? Yeah, and I'm just acting as a pre-purchase inspector.
Of course.
That's what I am right now.
Absolutely.
All right. Yeah, and he has a few BMWs already, including a diesel, so he kind of knows these cars more than I do.
He's away on business right now, correct?
I'm sorry?
He's away on business right now, correct?
Yeah, he's out of state, but he's a yeah, he's in the healthcare, so he's involved with COVID health. Now, this doesn't come with any other accessories that I don't see, right? Or, you know, like...
No, so, it's got one flat tire, panoramic sunroof. So,
okay.
you know, considering it's 2009, it's got some nice features.